To change the suit of the subject, click Transform. Brush the area you want to change for a new transformation. After that, click on the arrow. Type and describe. What's the new appearance? The results will be given on this area. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Now the results are here. Just choose what image you like. If you're not satisfied with the current image, you can click on the plus icon to generate more images. Now, let's generate a new image. If this error occurs, just click on Try Again. To save the image, click on Save on the upper right side corner.